All right, let's put the elephant on the table, shall we? Gen AI is great at many things until it isn't. And when it's not, it's costing us users and revenue and market share. And we really need to start talking about this. Whether you like generative AI or not, it is here. Companies are pivoting to give it more and more autonomy. It's writing code, it's reviewing code, it's testing itself, it's writing its own code, it's deploying, it's measuring its own performance. And honestly, it's not that bad at it. It's pretty impressive how fast it's been improving. We could argue whether it's good enough, but it is out there, it is being used, and with the rate that it's being improving, it might soon well be. But generative AI has something where it's not only not good at, it can't be good at: understanding human contexts. Generative AI, like most LLMs, goes by statistical answers. It produces answers that it deems the most probably correct for the given prompt. It doesn't understand, and it can't understand, nuances. And if there's one thing that's true for humanity in general, humans aren't statistical defaults. Now, to be fair here, humans have trouble understanding human nuances. I mean, we've been having this issues in the industry forever. That's why the field of accessibility and localization, internationalization, and privacy exist. We've just been treating them as this magical add-ons that we can tack on later on our code to fix stuff, but they do exist. We treated them like edge cases, so no wonder Gen AI does too. And look, this isn't a morality lecture, okay? Accessibility isn't charity. Localization is not political correctness, and privacy is not compliance theater. These are product decisions and architectural decisions that can make or break your product. If your app breaks for right-to-left languages, that is not ideology. That's an entire market you just excluded. If your flow doesn't work with assistive tech, that's just clients you're losing by default. If your privacy defaults ignore regional expectations, that's trust loss. That's legal risk. That's revenue. But we keep pretending like localization and internationalization and accessibility are secondary steps instead of architectural decisions.
This is what happens when I go to another country and open my search app only to get results in a different language that I don't understand just because I'm in a different country, even though the search application knows very well what my language preferences are.
So if we, as human beings, are having trouble not only recognizing but knowing how to fix and adjust our own localization, accessibility, and internationalization issues in our own apps, how do we expect generative AI to do it for us, especially when it relies on the statistical mean, the most common answer? This is one of those cases where dismissing edge cases can actually cost you users and revenue. If we allow AI to keep feeding itself over and over again over the existing expectations that don't quite work with human experience, then AI is not going to fix this problem for us. AI is going to reinforce it. We need to make sure that we're bringing back human-centered development, even if we're using generative AI, because generative AI simply cannot drive these decisions. At least, not yet. Maybe one day when, we have a real general intelligence that knows how to recognize the nuance of language expectation versus locale. No matter how good generative AI is going to get, it simply can't get human context nuances. AI is not killing software development. AI is killing software development without judgment. So let's make sure we bring back that judgment. If this is of interest to you, then join me in talking about this. I personally am planning to continue exploring this space, especially in the age of AI. And tell me, what is your experience? Did you encounter really annoying localization problems in a software that was developed by humans or AI? And what do you think is the future in that space? Or maybe I'm too harsh on AI, and I just don't consider the nuances of AI existence. So yeah, let me know in the comments, did you encounter a localization issue, accessibility issue that you think can be fixed by AI or compounded by AI? And what do you think will happen in the future in this space? Are we going to manage to solve those problems? And are they going to get worse or better? And what should we do to take care and take ownership of this space? See you next time.